If you are unable to access your Netflix account due to missing verification codes, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process without needing those codes. Step 1. Visit the Netflix login page. Go to the official Netflix website and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login screen where you can start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Need Help. On the login page, look for the Need Help link located below the password entry field. Click on it to access the account recovery options. Step 3. Select Recovery or Account. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Enter your email or phone number. Input the email address or phone number associated with your Netflix account. This information will be used to identify your account and initiate the recovery process. Step 5. Follow the instructions sent to your email or phone. Check your email or SMS for a message from Netflix with further instructions. Follow the provided steps to reset your password or recover your account without needing verification codes. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Netflix account. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Netflix customer support for additional assistance.